We're going to walk through about 4 problems on how to solve gas laws. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 says a gas occupies 65 liters, and that's going to be our volume, at a pressure of 700 atm. That's going to be our pressure. So this will be V1, P1. I want to know what volume. I'm looking for a V2 of the gas when its pressure is increased to 880 atm. This will be P2. And there is no change in temperature, so that means we don't need it. So I'm just going to cross it out. All right. So anytime we have 2 variables, like 2 volumes, 2 pressures, or 2 temperatures, what you're going to need to do is we're going to use the equation P1 V1 over N1 T1 equals P2 V2 over N2 T2. Now we're going to go through and we're going to circle the variables that we need and we're going to cross out the ones that we don't. I have a P1 up here, so I'm going to need P1. A V1, yes. We have nothing labeled N and nothing labeled T. Same thing on this side. P2, I have a V2, but no N2 or T2. So therefore, my equation becomes P1 V1 equals P2 V2. All right. Next, I'm going to take and plug in our variables. So in place of P1, I find my P1 labeled up here. It is 700. So 700. My V1, 65 liters, equals P2, which is 880. And then V2, it's my unknown, so that'll be X. Now I'm going to work on solving this problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is simplify what I can. I can go ahead and I can plug this into my calculator. Remember, anytime it's side by side, that means multiplication. So 700 times 65 gives me 45,500 equals, and I cannot plug this into my calculator, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as is. All right, moving on. Now I need to get X by itself. I need to isolate X. So in order to do that, I need to get rid of the 880. Right now, X is being multiplied by 880. So we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we're going to divide by 880 on this side. And what you do to one, you must do to the other. So divide by 880 over here. This cancels out, leaving me with just this X right here. So I have X equals, and now I plug this in the calculator, 45,500 divided by 880, and I get 51.7. And it's volume, so volume must be liters. And there's our answer.